door's heavy. Ooh. I like this style. Like Spanish style, right? With all this tile. Look at the floor. Look at salmon color. There's a fish. Yes. Oops. Empty. Got a Keurig mini bar area. You think this is the vanity for the bathroom? What are you trying to like there? Oh, look at the tile. This is a nice tile. I like how they kept it throughout the room. And some bathing suit. Alright. This is our room. We're staying here on points at the Monte in Santa Barbara, and because we're Hyatt members, they upgraded our room to a bigger room. King size bed again. This is our little wardrobe, and then have this view right here. We're facing the street that we came through. We parked down the street because there's free street parking, or you can do valet here on the property. I think this used to be a fireplace, maybe, and I covered it up, but now we have a big screen TV here. Table, lounge chair. It's pretty nice. Feels fresh even though it's really hot outside.
Yeah, I like the room. It's simple, but it has some character to it. I will disagree with Andrea. It's actually not really hot outside. It's really nice weather. And we're really close to the beach, so right now we'll probably go to the beach and see what we can do. They also offer complimentary bikes. I don't know if we'll use them,
Yeah.
but we have that option anyway. So we'll see you in a bit. On our way to Trader Joe's. As we mentioned, we would like to go to the grocery stores to save some money. We're gonna see what we can find there, maybe to make some sandwiches, and then we'll be back so we can explore a bit of the beach and just relax. We'll only be here one night, so not much we can do.
Ready? Got bananas, chocolate milk for breakfast, and bread for our sandwiches. I like to collect Trader Joe's bags because they have different styles in different locations. This one's from San Francisco, and this one's from Santa Barbara. It's really affordable. It's like 99 cents a bag, and they're fun souvenirs I can use whenever I shop.
Just wanted to point out that we got some rancheritos. Some of you may be familiar with these, some of you may not. They're Mexican chips, they're pretty good. Maybe spicy for some of you, but for me, they're pretty good. And yeah, excited to have them, especially away from home. I'm gonna try them with our sandwiches. Just wanted to mention real quick how close we are to the beach. Great location, and we can just walk out there. Another reason why this is a good location. Andrea is waiting for me, so we'll see you. We'll probably go to the beach right now in a bit, so see you then. Definitely a lot colder than we thought. But again, you can see our hotel just right there. Andrea, what do you think of the beach?
So nice here. I like the sun.
like to include these relaxing days just because we're doing a lot of driving and it's still a vacation, you know. We're not just traveling, we're also vacationing. And our next location will be pretty interesting, a little different than what we've been doing so far. But I know Andrea's excited, I'm excited too. So I think we're gonna call it a night. So that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Here to get some. What do you want? These are my favorite.
Okay everyone, yesterday on our walk to Trader Joe's we found this Panaderia which sells Mexican style bread. And yeah, it looks pretty good. The smell in here is amazing when you walk in, and they're just bringing in new fresh bread. We're about to buy some right now. So we got 4 pieces of bread. Yeah, 4 pieces, and then Andrea will show you right now. She will show you what we got. You want to show them now or at the room?
At the room, while we try.
At the room, we'll show you what we got.
Eddie chose this one with a strawberry filling. I got this one. It's a cuernito. These are my favorite. It has like a cookie topping here, and then the rest is just bread, and it's covered in sugar. And then we got 2 different empanadas. I'm not sure what filling they have, but you can't go wrong with empanadas.
And overall, we would say it's a pretty good price. It was only $6 for these, so it's like if they were $1.50 each. And they're not small pieces, so it's pretty good. We're excited to try them, especially because this reminds us of back home.
So I like to just pull it apart. Sometimes they have a lot of sugar. The style is like the same most places, but it tastes a little different. This is really good. There's like cinnamon inside the dough, so it gives it an extra flavor. It's crispy on the outside and then really soft and moist on the inside, so it's a good combination. And the cookie flavoring is also in the dough. And so you can see it has yellow, it has bread all over, and then the little specks of cinnamon. I like it, it's one of my favorites.
Okay, now I'm gonna try it. Who knows how these are, but I normally like these type of stuffed ones. Yeah, this one is good. I think it's cherry. It also has some type of cream cheese or cheesecake. I don't know what it is. Andrea's much better since she bakes at describing some of these things. I don't know anything, I just know that it's good, so definitely gonna enjoy this one.
We're gonna check what the fillings are for these. I just picked them up because they looked good and they're pretty big size. So this one, ooh, looks like the cream cheese filling. It's good, it's warm, creamy obviously, a little bit tangy. And then I want to check what this one has. So this one is pumpkin. Usually you find a lot of these pumpkin, more traditional ones. I haven't seen the creamed filling ones. Pumpkin is one of my favorite, and I like to bake with it a lot, so I'm excited for this one. It's still warm. It doesn't taste like the pumpkin pie filling. It's just more plain pumpkin. It doesn't have the pumpkin spice. But overall, it's good texture. It's warm. Has a lot of filling and a lot of like the nice crust on the outside. I think it was a good choice that we woke up early and went to this bakery. You can see there's a lot of people trying to buy their bread early in the morning because we went yesterday, but they didn't have a lot of options. But this morning, you can see they were pulling out trays and trays of food and bread and fresh bread. So I think it was a good choice.